If I wanted to make my first $1,000 with AI and I had no business experience, no tech experience, and I'm busy working a full-time job, this is exactly what I would do step by step. Now, real quick, I do want to show you some proof before I show you the step-by-step process. And again, you're going to be able to clone this exact same thing as your own. So this will make sense at the end of this video. But as you can see, in the past month, we have made collectively over $40,000. Now, the perfect thing about what I'm going to show you is even if you're brand new to business, you have no tech experience, you don't want to go and create content online, but you want to make money, you want to be able to have the freedom that you deserve, this is going to be perfect for you. All right, so the way it works is extremely simple. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be using something called an AI clone, okay? So I'll show you what this is in just a little bit, but think of it as an AI video of yourself, okay? So you don't have to go and create these videos online. And basically what this AI clone does is it allows you to create thousands and thousands of videos without you having to create videos on camera or having to speak at all, okay? So I'll show you some examples in just a bit, okay? But essentially what you're doing is you're posting with your AI clone, and what you're gonna do next is you're gonna send people to a page, okay? And this page is where you sell a course, okay? So this is a course page. And right here is you sell a $97 program that teaches people how to do this AI clone as well, okay? There's a lot more this program teaches besides the AI clone, but I'm just keeping it simple for now, okay? Now, the way this works is, again, we're creating this content. We're gonna put this on social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, those type of platforms, okay? Now, when we create these social media posts here, we then send them to this place where people buy the course, okay? And then from there, you get paid. So you are a brand new beginner getting paid, and you didn't have to go and actually create the course, okay? Because what happens is there's a program that allows you to resell it at 100% commissions, okay? So the cool thing here is, let's just say your customer, they now, okay, this is your customer here who just paid the $97, they get access to this course, okay? They're super happy because now they're gonna learn AI, but they're also then able to resell it as their own, okay? So they can then resell this as their own if they want, okay? It's not one of those things where they have to just resell it, okay? The way it's positioned is just teaching AI to complete beginners, okay? Now, the way it works as a complete beginner is someone completely new working a 9-to-5 job can have this whole system set up in 24 hours, okay? I know that sounds impossible, but let me walk you through the actual steps of how it works, okay? So step one, let's just say that you wanted to sell this as your own, you wanted to make some sales, you have no business experience, you're working 40, 50 hours per week at a job. Step one is you would get access to something called AI FREEDOM LAUNCHPAD, okay? So that's step one. Now, step two is very simple, okay? You can now go ahead and resell this program, okay? And the setup is extremely easy, okay? So now you can resell at 100% to 300% more than you purchased the program, okay? Now, the cool thing is this is super simple to do. Basically, clicking a button and you get the entire program that you can then promote. And then all you have to do is just send people to a link, okay? That's it. All the hard stuff is already created. The course itself, the sales page, everything is done, okay? Now, step three, and this is where it gets really cool. Inside the program, we teach you how to create this AI twin, okay? This AI clone, okay? Now, let me show you what this actually looks like. That way you can see it. So this is one of my Instagram accounts here. And as you can see, all of these videos are AI made, okay? So all of these basically have just some text on them. The video itself is just AI, okay? And then what we're doing in these videos is we're trying to get people to get this AI Launchpad program. Again, you can then resell it at 100%, okay? You didn't even create the product. product. You didn't have to go and create the pages. All you do is create this clone, okay? And as you can see, the more you post your AI clone, the more people are gonna comment, the more exposure you're gonna get. And as you can see, all you have to do is post every single day, okay? For me, I try to post 3, 4, 5, even 10 times a day, because the more I post, the more money I make. And of course, I don't have to go and create this content. The AI can literally create hundreds and hundreds of videos for me. So again, the more videos you make, typically the more money you're gonna make as a complete beginner, okay? So as you can see, these are all done using AI, and this is something that we teach inside the program AI Freedom Launchpad, okay? So this is really cool because a complete beginner can now learn AI, but then resell it even without being an AI expert. And as you can see, the place that we want to send people to is this link here, okay? Now, I want to show you something really cool, okay? So when people click on this link, this is where people buy the actual program, okay? Now, I want you to take a look at this page, and then I'm going to show you a really cool example of one of my students, okay? So this is Hector, and he's doing the exact same thing, okay? He's creating his AI clone, and he's not even doing videos sometimes. All he's doing in some of these is straight up photos, okay? Now, if I go back up and I click on this right here, you can see that this is going to the exact same page, okay, as the page that I showed you earlier, which is my page, okay? So the cool thing is, for you or for someone starting out wanting to make their first money online, you're using AI to create the content or the videos, and then you're sending people to this system that already does everything for you, okay? Now, here's the fun part, and this is gonna make a lot more sense, okay? Remember I showed you this earlier, okay? The cool thing about this is not only do you get one product, you get multiple products that you can then resell, okay? So remember I mentioned it's a $97 product, okay? That's only the first product, okay? But then there's multiple products that you can then sell, and you get 100% of all of that, okay? So that's why we always say you can earn up to 300% commissions on this, okay? Now, here's my favorite part about this, okay? This is not even my favorite part yet, okay? So this is something that we just built in that completely blew the industry away, okay? So this is, again, how it works, right? So this is you get to resell this AI course as your own and then make the $97. But remember, there's multiple products, okay? There's also a $97 a month product that you get 100% commissions, and then there's also a 47 and then a 27, and then there's some other little products as well, but these are some of the main products, okay? But this is not even what I'm most excited about, okay? So it's cool that you can make money right away, but my favorite part about this, okay, is we built a system, and you'll learn this inside of AI Freedom Launchpad, where you now have this automated sequence of emails that are sent on your behalf, okay? So the way it works is these emails are automatically sent to promote multiple products. Now, the cool thing is these emails help you make more money, okay? So your main income stream is this AI course, but now there's this automated system that helps you make money with income stream number 1, income stream number 2, income stream number 3, and all the way to income stream 15, and you can continue adding from there, okay? So that's actually my favorite part about this, is not just that initial $97, which is really cool, but you can also make multiple streams of income. Now, this is exciting because most people want to learn AI, but not only learn AI, they want to be able to make money with this, okay? So this is the first program in the entire world that is built just like this, where not only can you learn AI, but you can also resell it and make money even if you're a complete beginner and you're not an expert yourself yet. Now, if you want to see a full demo of how this works and how you can clone this exact same process as a complete beginner within 24 hours, I want you to say AI Freedom Launchpad down below. Now, I am going to pick a few people to get access to this absolutely free, so make sure to comment down below, or you can also go to the link in the YouTube description down below. It'll be the first link down below, and that will give you access to AI Freedom Launchpad and allow you to start reselling at 100 to even 300% commissions. I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next one, and God bless.